Axel Alomía Sanchez. I'm studying business administration. When I was in high school, what I was like when I was in high school, I was a relaxed, polite, and responsible person. I like simple things and enjoy spending time with my friends. The uniform. At my school, we had to wear uniform, so during classes you wore standard school clothes. My style outside of school. Outside of school, I like to wear casual clothes such as oversized sweatshirts, jeans, and shorts. I was a fan of sneakers. I wore them every day. On the weekends, I wore a cap to complete my style. I always chose comfortable clothes without worrying about fashion. Time with friends. I like to talk to my friends after school about music, movies, and all kinds of topics. We play volleyball together and always had a lot of fun. Final thought that stay was very special for me. I was happy being myself. I enjoyed the simple times without worrying about fashion. Those moments mark a very special step of my life. Uh, I learned to value friendship, comfort, and authenticity. Thank you.